Touring the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, offers a breathtaking experience and panoramic views of Dubai and its surroundings. Here's how you can plan your visit. 1. Book tickets in advance. Purchase your tickets online in advance to avoid long queues at the ticket counter. You can choose between the at-the-top observation decks on levels 124 and 125 or the premium at-the-top sky experience on level 148. 2. Select a time slot. Choose a time slot that suits your schedule. Sunset and evening slots offer stunning views of the city lights, while daytime visits provide clear vistas of the landscape. 3. Arrive early. Arrive at the Burj Khalifa at least 30 minutes before your scheduled time to allow for security checks and ticket collection. 4. Enjoy the experience. Once inside, take the high-speed elevator to the observation deck. Marvel at the breathtaking views of Dubai's skyline, desert, and ocean from the vantage point of the tallest building in the world. 5. Explore the deck. Spend time exploring the observation deck, which features interactive exhibits, telescopes, and photo opportunities. Learn about the building's architecture, construction, and history through multimedia displays. 6. Visit the outdoor terrace. If you're on the at-the-top experience, step out onto the outdoor terrace on level 124 for a unique perspective and photo opportunities. 7. Upgrade to at-the-top sky, optional. Consider upgrading to the at-the-top sky experience for exclusive access to the highest observation deck on level 148, personalized attention from guest ambassadors, and complimentary refreshments. 8. Shop and dine. After your visit, explore the Dubai Mall, located at the base of the Burj Khalifa, for shopping, dining, and entertainment options. 9. Capture memories. Don't forget to capture memories of your Burj Khalifa experience with photos and videos to cherish for years to come. 10. Plan for transportation. Arrange for transportation to and from the Burj Khalifa, whether by taxi, public transportation, or private car. By following these steps, you can make the most of your tour of the Burj Khalifa and create unforgettable memories of your visit to Dubai's iconic landmark.